In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn Shopify product data into multiple ready-to-review video, add concepts automatically with n8n and Zvid. The workflow reads real product information and images from Shopify, creates product first, benefit first, and offer first concepts, applies a reusable design, and bulk renders the finished videos. Instead of building every product ad manually, you get a repeatable creative pipeline driven by your Shopify catalog. It uses real titles, descriptions, prices, Shopify compare at prices, and product images. It never invents a discount, and each ad receives a tracking key for later performance reporting. The workflow is organized into 4 sections. First, it selects matching Shopify products and creates ad concepts. Next, it builds a reusable Zvid project and validates it for free. The third section either creates an editable preview or submits a bulk render. Finally, it downloads completed videos and builds a delivery manifest for review. You'll configure 2 credentials, Shopify header auth and the native Zvid API credential. For Shopify, open credentials, create a new header auth credential and set the header name to X Shopify access token. Paste the Shopify access token as the value, then save. The sticky notes explain how to generate and refresh it. For Zvid, first open Settings Community Nodes. Install the package named at zvid/n8n-nodes-zvid. Then go to app.zvid.io and sign in or create an account. Open API keys and create a key. Then create a Zvid API credential, paste the key there, and save. Back in the workflow, assign the Shopify header auth credential only to get Shopify catalog. Next, use the same Zvid API credential for validate project, save draft to editor, submit bulk render, and get batch status. These are native Zvid nodes. All remaining workflow settings are stored in the config node. For shop domain, enter only your Shopify store prefix. For example, use Zvid2, not the complete myshopify.com URL. The default product query, status active, selects active products. Max products limits how many eligible products are selected. Variance per product controls how many styles each product can receive, while max total ads caps the total videos across all products. Then configure the brand name, website, call to action, colors, resolution, and optional licensed music URL to match your store. Keep dry run set to true for your first test. It validates the exact project, returns the credit estimate, and creates an editable Zvid preview without rendering videos. Set it to false only when you're ready to spend credits. Now run the workflow with dry run enabled. When it succeeds, open the dry run summary. Copy the editor link from the summary and open it. This lets you inspect the resolved creative before rendering. Review the design, copy, product images, and price before spending any credits. Everything looks good, so return to the workflow. Change dry run to false, save the configuration, and run it again to create the videos. The live run succeeds, and the rendered output is ready to review. The Send to Asset Store or Scheduler branch is optional. To use it, add an HTTPS delivery webhook URL for a storage service or social scheduler that accepts the manifest. Enter that endpoint in the delivery webhook URL field and add the destination's authentication directly to the delivery node. That's it. Thanks for watching.